Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to increase Telegram download speed. Now, this is for both PC and your mobile if you have the app downloaded. The first option, we're going to give you two. First option is get file to link bots, like get public link bot over here, right? And then use it to just forward whatever file you want to download via it. And then it's going to do the job for you. That's the first option. The second option is click on the three lines or hamburger icon like so, right? And then click on settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to click on advanced. Once you're in your advanced data and storage, the first option here, you want to click manage local storage, right? So click manage local storage like so. This new pop-up will appear. You want to clear both, right? You want to clear everything, or just, you know, if you want to make it fast, just click clear all and then okay. That should help your file download, or just reset your router if you're having some more issues. But for the most part, that's how you do it. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.